Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I have the Getac S510 AI-assisted processor with a 15.6-inch screen. Look at this sucker. This thing is huge. This is Getac's newest semi-rugged laptop, and here are some of the nice features I found on it just by looking at it. The first feature that I noticed was the size of the touchpad. Look at the size of this touchpad. It's nice, big, and easy to use, and it has two nice buttons right here. Most semi-ruggeds have only 2/3 of the size that you see on this unit. Another nice feature of this laptop is they changed the clip that holds the screen down. This clip basically, and I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it pops up and holds the screen down, and then you just pops right back down when you need to open it. And as you guys well know, I like keyboards. So let's take a look at the keyboard. I read one reviewer that talked about the keyboard, and he called it the island keys. Basically, the keys are nice and spread apart. They have a space in between them, so they almost set like they're setting as an island in the ocean, for example. The keys are nice and responsive. I found them nice and bouncy. It is a backlit keyboard, so you can custom change the color, so whatever backlight color you like. It has two programmable buttons right here, P1 and P2, so you can make those do whatever you like. The screen, like I was telling you, is a 15.6-inch screen, resolution 1920 by 1080. So you get a nice amount of screen there. And then right here you have your webcam, and it has a privacy cover slide as well. So you can shut it down when you need to. Okay, so that's that. The ports that are on this unit, if you take a look right here, on this side you have your power port, and then here they've got two USB-C ports and a USB 3.0 port as well. And then over here you've got your microphone or your headphone jack. And then if we look on the back, you have another USB port and an HDMI as well as an RJ45 jack. And then of course right here is your SIM card slot behind that port. And then over here, if you take a look, this is where your CD-ROM would normally go, and right now we have a blank there, but if you order the CD-ROM from Getac, that's where it would be. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to show you how we have two battery bays. I don't have the batteries installed right now, but there are two battery bays so you can get double battery power. As well as, take a look at this feature that's really nice. If you want to remove the hard drive, it's right here underneath this cover. You just pop the unlock button and push forward. Voila, the caddy pops out and your NVMe hard drive is right under here. We can pop it back in, just push it in and it locks right in, and boom, you have your hard drive replaced. That's a nice feature. I've only seen that in a FZG2 tablet that they had from Panasonic. So that is nice. And like I said, this processor is AI assisted. It's the Ultra, let me read it off the box to you. It's the Ultra 5 125U. So this thing is Getac's latest powerhouse, semi-rugged laptop. I think you guys will enjoy it. Check it out. And meanwhile, I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.